Today's home tip, I'm going to encourage you to make your house a home. Don't worry so much about cleaning up and making sure everything is picture perfect. Focus more on your family. Focus more on your partner. Show the love and support of your family and your kids. Your kids will see you, how you interact with your partner. That is kind of the image they'll keep in their head. So sometimes, when you're selling a home, I tell you how things look important, like, that you gotta declutter and clean, all that stuff too. Guys, it's the summertime. Enjoy your family. That's my home tip for today. Make your house a home. And you'd be shocked sometimes that you maybe not need to upgrade. Maybe you just needed to spend more time with your family and realize we have everything that we need. Instead of always looking at the wants, I want this, I want that, I want that. If you focus on the family, and sometimes, like I said before, you realize everything that you have in your home is all you need, and maybe you don't need to move.